people running around, searching for high ground, hustling around town to turn their lives around, fighting a losing battle, living in pain and struggle, getting caught up in hurdles and puddles. But my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, you never slumber. When I call you, you answer. All that I require, all that I require, and all of my desires. Anything I need or want, I know I can come to you in prayer. I know you will answer, Father like no other. Some trust in horses and chariots, but not them, no. Cause my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and my Maker. Everything that I need, He gave me everything on a platter. Yeah, my trust is in Jehovah, my Father and Creator. You are all that I need, and you are everything in between. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Oh, you are all that I require, omnipotent Father, Abba like no other, closer than a brother, always on my mind. Never sleep, never slumber. When I call you, you answer. Always and forever, you're with me, with me. One time, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. Yeah, yeah. King of the universe has beautified my life. Yeah. You make everything brand new, Daddy. No longer bound, you make me free. Now your grace and mercy I did see on a daily. Showers of blessings, don't they so body. Joy for the morning, morning. Beauty for ashes, you changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving me a new name. Yeah. It is you working inside me, pulling my heartstrings. Beautifier, beautifier. For your glory you have made me, for the world to see. Beautifier, beautifier. Joy for the morning, morning. Beauty for ashes, you changed my whole story. Now I sing your praises, King of glory. I'll let the whole world know what you have done for me, what you have done for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My beautifier has beautified my life, taking away the pain, taking away the shame. My beautifier has beautified my life, giving showing you the strength. I will wait on, I will wait on. I will keep my eyes glued, I will not turn from you. I will wait on, I will wait on. Hallelujah, yeah, praise you forever. Hallelujah, yeah, everlasting Father. Hallelujah, yeah, your reign is forever. I will praise you forever, my King, my King, my King. Forever, my King. You're the one that I trust, God. Everything that I have, I give. You're the one my heart beats for. I will praise you forever, my King. Hallelujah, yeah, praise you forever. Hallelujah, yeah, everlasting Father. Hallelujah, yeah, your reign is forever. I will praise you forever, my King, my King, my King. Forever, my King. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Ray.
What's up, everyone? What's up? How you guys doing? Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? What's up? What's up, Reese? What's up, Pau? Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith.
Drop some energies in the chat, gang. Let's go. Drop some
Especially
energies
having God
in
in your
the
life
chat.
first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strive to be the best I can be.
What's up? What's up? How you guys doing?
When I was making this album, man, I went
How
through
you
a few
doing?
and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip, who was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol, who at first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved
What's
from
up?
the
What's
Jumpers
up?
to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church. I remember one day I seen her going to church. She's like, you want to go to church with me? And I'm like, yeah. And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer, but Jermaine was always the drummer, so I never became the drummer or whatever. But I went, and I became a member of Believers Community Baptist Church. And after I went a few times and I became a real member of the church, I got baptized. And I think after that I told my mom, well, I guess my mom was at the baptized ceremony. But I asked my mom, Mom, you want to go to church? And she was like, yeah, I'll go. And my mom never stopped going to church even when I stopped. You know, so I guess that was like a sign.
Shout out to 12 viewers right now. Shout out to you guys. Good morning.
She lived by, all right, you know, I'm praying for you.
Let's start here.
My mom probably gonna be mad at me, but she used to be real bad at like cussing at Sasha and my sisters and stuff, like cussing at
All right, gang. How you guys doing? We good? So let's do the top down analysis here now. Type, you guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Let's go. Type ready in the chat. Guys ready? Bum, bum. All right. Let's start with the monthly time frame here. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, the monthly is starting to drive up, right? So we see that driving up here. You re-break the previous candle high, you react, right? So because on the resale on the previous candle, as you can see, we closed doji on the monthly, right? And this price, I believe there is resistance, heavy resistance form in this price if we're gonna drop down to the lower time frame, because as you can see, we got huge wick there, creating a huge wick in the previous monthly candle, and then now you tap there, you react once again, right? And we still have 11 days and 14 hours for this candle to close. All right. So if we're gonna drop down to the weekly, today we have US bank holiday, so I don't expect any volume today on NYSE, right? Because it's bank holiday today. And I believe this weekly candle will close bearish, right? So if this current candle close bearish, you have support form now. Resistance is probably up here, right? And then once you close bearish back in the range, now this gonna be the previous bullish candle is gonna be the fake out candle. It is gonna be the fake out because you close above the range, right? Once you close above the range, we expect breakout to push further up, right? But didn't happen. As you can see, close above, so we expect like this candle probably, right? But it didn't happen here. And as you can see, we have uh war happening in Iran versus Israel. So why gold is dumping? Why gold is melting right now? Why they're selling gold? Because probably they wanna change gold by US dollar, right? We don't know. We never know. But right now we're here to adapt. Where is the price gonna headed? So right now we still have 1 day and 14 hours for this candle to close, right? And I believe this current candle will close bearish because we have 1 day and 14 hours. And tonight we don't have any news. We have, I would say, we have bank holiday for tomorrow. Yeah, we don't have any news. So there's no catalyst tomorrow. There's no big volume that coming up. So I would say that this is gonna be close bearish. Weekly close bearish, probably back in the range, or will close like this, right? So if candle close like this, now you have resistance form, right? So when we have resistance, this is probably gonna support, and we are all inside the range now. And as you can see, we still have clean traffic. We have minor levels here on price that we need to top in, right? So once we see bearish closure in the wick, now I'm gonna expect that the next week candle gonna retest some lows here, 3,210 zone. So I'm gonna expect this, right? Um, let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see, we have heavy bearish closure yesterday night. As you can see, this is heavy bearish, right? They wipe up all the buyers yesterday when when the Powell speak. Yeah, I heard some good news in terms of dollars, right? So that's why the price melting down here. And yeah, but the 1 hour time frame also, as you can see, there's no closure yet for the breakout. So overall range in 4 hour time frame, this is the range. So now no closure for the breakout yet. That's why it's still reacting here. We still have 1 hour and 5 minutes for 4 hour closure. As you can see, no breakout yet. This is the resistance form, support, because enable for us to take some breakout trade in 4 hour time frame, you need to see closure below. Once you see that, yeah, it will retest some lows on the left hand side. But right now there's no closure yet on the 4. In the one it looks ugly for me. As you can see, resistance here, support here, you break out, didn't push through, right? I don't know why it didn't push through, but I believe this 1 hour candle go back in the range. We expect this volume. Once you go back in there, we expect some retest on the high here again. So yeah, let's see. Because right now, I believe we have in the 30 and 15, we still have clean traffic. I would say I'm still bearish for the day, but I need to see resistance form before taking trades. No resistance, no buenos for me. So we have overall range here, 150 pip range when this spike up. So yeah, 1 hour about to close in 4 minutes. Close back. No, not back in the range because if this for 1 hour close back in, it should close up here. But once you respect this zone on the left, this one didn't close above. Yeah, there's high chance that the next candle will rip down here once create top wick re-break like this. Right? So in 3 minutes, let's see here. Let's see. How can you spot a good potential impulse trade? I still hesitate. Now, give me a second, dear. I will tell you that. Oh, so impulse is basically you're basing on the 30 and 15. So right now, impulse is impulse, right? You're not gonna wait for the candle to close. So right now we are in the London session. If London session is there, you gonna expect volume. So basically impulse is equals to volume. Setup should be there, right? Setup should be there and volume. Now the problem is how you gonna enter to the market. If you see the 15, you have resistance form here, right? Resistance form. Now I'm gonna go up to the 30 minutes time frame. So I see 30 minutes time frame here, and then this candle is starting to push further up. We didn't, because I see this, I didn't enter impulse buy too because I'm preparing for stream. I wanna take some impulse, but I'm preparing to the stream. I don't wanna, take that trades with nothing. It's impulse. Impulse should be um volume, right? I didn't expect volume too, but right now this is 30 minutes candle. It's trying to drive up with 22 minutes remaining. So once you see the re-break of the previous candle high, I probably gonna enter there at as an impulse in 30 minutes because this is good. You have clean traffic on the left to retest, right? So as you can see, clean traffic on the left, good for impulse trade. See that? That's how you anticipate that. Right? So let's see. Can we close? But 15 gonna close bearish with small body. Let's see. Let's see. Shout out to 24 viewers. Gang, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. All right. So we have 26 seconds here. Close bearish. So overall range stops probably up here 59 60 pips. Let's see. Yeah, let's see here, chat. We have 15 close, small body here. But once you re-break the low, 1 hour open too. And the 1 hour, as you can see, respect didn't close above. So yeah, there is a high chance that I'm gonna retest the low once again. Retest the lows. Can you create a top wick and re-break again? Top wick and re-break. How many pip range? So 111 pip range. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Dun-dun. Yeah, I'm entering a sell here right now. On the re-break of the low here. So yeah, probably I'm gonna keep my stop up here. Yeah, 60 pip stops, and they're probably gonna target below. So yeah, and now yeah, if you enter trade, make sure you move your stops according to your plan. All right, according to your plan. And I'm gonna close full right here at 15 pips. Chat W's in the chat, gang. Closing full at 15 pips. That's the plan today. That's a quick one, man. Quick trade. Double is in the chat. Double is in the chat. If you got the trade. If not, it's fine. I'm still bearish on that move. How many of you guys got the trade, the same trade? Type it in the chat. How many of you guys got the same trade here? Yeah, 15 pips. 15 pips. Wow. 1500. 15, man. Rebrave, previous candle low, onion, yeah. Gold, London. 12 p.m. 6, 19, 20, 25. There is a high chance that I'm gonna melt here, chat. No reactions. It's just a little bit pullback here on price, but man, once you re-break this, probably gonna melt down. So if you got the trade, congratulations everyone. Sells plus 15 pips. Very nice. 54 wins, man. Thank you, G's. Thank you, Lord. Dun, 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 dun. Who's still on the trade here, chat? Drop it in the chat. Who's still on the trade? Who's still on sells? Who's still on sales? In. You still in? You still on sales, bro? You guys holding the trade? Do, 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 do. Dun, dun, dun. Choo, 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 doo, doo. Boom, 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 boom. If we took the flip, man, that gonna be amazing. 330, probably 34 pip. But the flip is a little bit risky right now because the price, the market's so volatile. Sometimes when the candles flip, like for example, top wick and flip, hover, 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 and then go back up again. So yeah, this is the same trade I took yesterday. Same trade. Let's see, because this London today, tonight. Dun, dun. And by the way, chat, yeah, BDTC is on sale right now. If you wanna take buy right now, it's on sale. Man, it goes down to 64. Buy it. Bought it. Too late for me. Oh, it's okay. 5 minutes for this candle to close. 50. If you guys still in on the trade, when this 15 probably close bearish, yeah, there's a high chance that gonna continue down because we still bearish for the day, 4 hour bearish. So yeah, sayang di naabutan, coach. Oh, it's okay. No problem. No FOMO. No FOMO. It's okay. No problem. All right. So the 15 is still holding. Didn't flip bullish. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Two minutes and 37 seconds. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream, man. Support to the channel. Like the stream, subscribe to the channel, share it with your family, on your friends. Let's go, man. Free trade every day. Free trade, free trade. Mm-mm. 1 minute for candle close. No bottom wick. Bottom wicks. Bottom wicks. Bottom wicks. No bottom wicks. If you guys still on the trade, I'm probably gonna close full right now. No bottom wicks. I'm looking to sell. Probably if there's a bottom wick, I'm gonna look for one more sell, but no bottom wick here. If close like this, yeah, probably gonna take that sell again here. Probably the same entry, but no bottom wick, no Beno for me. So yeah, be careful here. Be careful. Boom, 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 boom. Is it possible to go back down to yeah? Yep, for me, yeah, because I'm still bearish on day because is here. We're creating structure here. Support. This is the levels before didn't close above. So the structure is up here. Enable for you to push further up, you need to close up here. Right now I'm bearish. Daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, 1 hour bearish, 30 bearish. So Chat, if you got the trade, can you spam W's in the chat, man? Spam some dubs. I'm gonna do some stories today. Spam some dubs. If you got the trade, would be appreciate, chat. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Chat, spam some W's in the chat, gang. Let's go, man. Let's go. Spam some dubs. Alright, no one spamming. Only one spamming dubs. Spam some W's in the chat, gang. Let's go. Shout out to 27 viewers. Spam some dubs. If you got the trade, spam some dubs. You re-enter on the high. Okay here. Yeah, for me, I'm not gonna enter because no bottom wick on price. This is gonna be little bit risky for me. Right? When you enter that, risky for me because no bottom wick here. Close bottom, no bottom wick. So yeah. Chat, spam some W's. Let's go. No one is spamming. Okay, no probs. Yo. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, reacting on the resistance. React. Mm-hmm. Alright, gang. 2 millimeters once again here. And as you can see, I got the sales. I got 15 pips here in price. And if you want to win with me, show up in the live stream here. It's free. And yeah, see you guys here. Alright, gang. 2 millimeters once again here. And as you can see, I got the sales. I got 15 pips here in price. And if you want to win with me, show up in the live stream here. It's free. And yeah, see you guys here. Peace out. Um, 15 is about to close. There is a high chance that the next 15 gonna push up. Support form once again here. This really problem when once the candle close without bottom wick. No close, bottom wick, react, push. But yeah. No, but respecting here. Doom, doo, doo, doo. 2 millimeters once again here. And as you can see, I got the sales. I got 15 pips here on price. And if you want to win with me, show up in the live stream here. It's free. And yeah, see you guys here. Peace out. 4 hours about to close. 28 minutes. 1 hour 30 is open up. Boom, 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 boom. Dun-dun-dun. Mm-mm-mm. Toot-toot-toot, toot-toot. Boss, kanto mo na habang, yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Sige. Sige daw. So, how many trades we took this week? I believe we got 3 trades. Monday 16. 16, yeah. So 17 plus 15. Yeah, you guys got 49 pips. W, man. 49 pips. So if your lot size is 0.1, you have $49 this week. Right? So W. 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 Right. Break above the range. Close above. You still have range to fill up here. 67 pip. Re-break the high. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. Breaking out here. Breaking out. Boom, 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 boom. 1 minute for close above. Wow. Melt. Wow. Push further up. Very nice. No top wick closure. No top wick. Man. The daily is flipping. Oh my god. Oh, no top wick. No top wick again. Bullish trend shift. Not yet. Not yet. You need to break structure here. You need candle close above. This is the recent structure. The current structure is this, but the previous structure is this. So if you're gonna shift with a bullish trend, you need to see close above the range, right? Because this is the current structure. That's the different scenario. The previous structure should be make sense. All right, the previous one, the previous structure is making sense because you have structure been formed here. You push further down. Now you create a new structure here, right? But the previous one is here. So for me, there is no um bullish trend yet, right? Session trend, yeah, it's there. Session trend is there, bullish on the London. They're pushing the price up to retest the highs somewhere here. But if there is a closure above, yeah, there is probability push further up. As long as no breakup structure still sells here, you still on sales because I will tell you this. Where is the previous high? Previous high is here. Where is the previous low is here, right? So right now, as long as you're respecting this area, this area, this area, there's a high chance that you're gonna push further down because you're creating probably a new high here before pushing down for the new low. Doesn't make sense. It's all about structure. From the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You need to understand the market structure. Where is the price gonna headed? We took the sell because you know we make a new resistance, and I anticipate that this is the new high been created before driving down further. But yeah, we took that trade. I took that, got the 15 pips. That's it. Anything extra, that's not my position. I know that it's gonna push further down. That's good. All right, but we take the piece of pie there. I'm out. That's it. That's the trade. Because right now some of the trader they just basing on their RR, risk reward ratio, but they don't understand their trade, right? I never base on the RR. I base on my trade. That's it. If I hit stop loss, I'm gonna take that stop loss. That's it. Stop loss 60 pips, 50 pips, I'll take that. As long as we're following our plan in trading, we're good. If you broke your plan, you lose. Yeah, you're probably gonna take the emotions there. You probably ask why I have too many wins here because I following my plan here, right? My loss June 2, right? 51 pips loss. And I never chased that back on the day. I never chased that back on the next day. I never chased back on the next 2 3 days. I never chased that. Never chased. As you can see, it's all compounding here. And you never know. Don't chase. Once you lose, don't chase it back that you're gonna take it back on today or on the next day. It will take time. You need to follow your rules. If we lose, take the lose. That's why people this is how separate between unprofitable trader to profitable trader, because unprofitable trader, they're just chasing the money, they're just chasing the pips every single day. They don't have any setup. I'm gonna take the buy here, no setup, taking buy, no top wick, I'm taking buy, like that. Because for me, I focusing on my plan, I focusing on building my skills every single day, showing up every single day, even though I don't like it. I'm gonna show up. Showing up every single day is a must, even you don't like it. The rewards take time. Rewards always take time. It's all about patience here. Patience, discipline, adapt to the market, repeat, rinse and repeat. That's it. You guys need to understand that. If you have a plan, okay, you have strategy, okay, take that. Write in your notes. I have the strategy right now. Oh, okay, the strategy is really working, yes or no? Okay, you're right, yes. Then what's the next move? So I'm gonna practice the setup. Okay, the setup is now working. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna make a new setup. So the entry is now working. Okay, I'm gonna make a new entry on the trade. That's it. You know, you're gonna build the system that you need to be follow every single day. If you don't have any system, man, um, it's gonna be tough for you. And trading is boring because you're gonna wait for the setup, right? You're gonna wait for the setup. You're gonna wait for the entry. You're gonna entry the trade, a trade. When you feel bored, that's the trading. You know, that's trading. Before I was excited when I hop onto the chart. I'm always excited. Oh, I want to take this trade. I'm taking too many trades and then lose, right? Because excited is emotion, right? Overconfident is emotion. So you need to control that somehow. How you gonna control that? By following your rules every single day, by following your plan every single day. Man, right now I would say that if you are depositing the money every week, man, there is something wrong with you. You keep depositing money and then you say, "Oh, I'm profitable trader," and then the next day you blow your account. I withdrew today, let's say $100, and then tomorrow I'm gonna deposit because I lose everything. Then you wanna say, "Oh, I'm a profitable trader. I'm a pro trader," but you keep blowing account, you keep depositing money. Don't chase it, gang. Don't chase. Write the things down that you need to improve. Right? Write the things down that you need to improve every single day. Write down your notes. I need to improve something like this. And then once you write down, you need to be consistent. Aray ko, coach, tama na. I mean, that's true, right? I've been there, depositing every single week, blowing founded account, losing trade. I've been there, but that's a hard time. That's gonna be the darkness of your life, of my life. You're gonna lose. You're gonna emotion. You're gonna be sad. You're gonna feel sad. Hard times. But if you feel confident, man, you're gonna say to yourself, oh, we don't need to be go back to that position. Paano sad? Pili, paano daw sad? Yeah, touch grass. Yeah, if you lose, touch grass. Touch grass, go out. Yeah. Yeah, in terms of, in terms of chart, in terms of how you gonna control yourself within charts, man. If you take loss for the day, man, close your computer, close the laptop. But the MT5 is still on the phone, right? Yeah, you need to control that because once you're looking on the chart, your money at risk. Once you're looking at the chart, the money is always at risk. Meow 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 meow. Guys, if you wanna, the BDTC here is on sale. Oh, 76 again. Before it was 82 here. But if you wanna buy, bought it, man. If you wanna buy how to buy this, you can message me on Instagram or whatever. Message me. I'm gonna help you to buy this. And this is gonna be interesting because if you're gonna think long term in one coin and then the money is stuck with your bank here, probably in UAE or whatever in the Philippines, the money is not moving, right? If you are, an investor, if you wanna hold a business, man, this is the time for you to buy to change something, right? To invest. Because right now we're fully locked in on this coin. We're fully, full margin here. It's gonna be full margin here. If I have USDT, a lot of USDT, I'm gonna bought it right now. But I don't have. So this is your chance to buy this coin. Otherwise, this is gonna be pumped any day now. Any day now. Anytime now. So yeah, if you wanna buy this, you can message me on Instagram or WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. I'm gonna help you to bought this. Okay. So yeah. This is discount price already, gang. Right? My average here is 117. My average is up here. Here. This is my average. I bought 100 no 118 I believe. Yeah, 118. I bought there, but still melting here. Right? So if you wanna, I mean, if you if you want, if you don't want, it's fine. We're good. We're gonna continue moving. We're gonna move. All right. The 4 hours about to close. 30 minutes about to close. 15, man. Okay, resistance. Again. Respect. Wow, this is gonna be chat. Yeah, we probably have one more potentials here. Let's see. Let's see. 4 hour close. Can I make top wick? If when you make a top wick, and that top wick is nice for me. Once you re-break the low again. Let's see on the rebreak of the low. Rebreak the low, rebreak the low. Alright, Cham, I'm entering a sell here right now. Rebreak the low. We take that. I take this. Let's see. Stops up here. So I'm lowering my risk because we got the dubs for the day for the session. So yeah. Let's see here. We're gonna melt down or not. So this is the chance for you guys to take the trade. If you don't like it, don't take it. Don't like it, don't take it. Another banger here, chat. Another banger. Let's go. Can you melt down further? Let's go, man. All right, chat. Moving stops to break even here, and I'm gonna close some partials here, chat. Closing some partials here, and yeah, man. Let it run towards to the downside here, gang. Again and again, double is in the chat. Double is in the chat, my friends. If you got the trades, bro. Ooh, 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 ooh. 2 trades in a row, gang. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's go, let's go. Can you melt more? So I have runners today. Let's see if we're gonna melt. All right, all right. I'm probably close here at 16 pips, chat. Double is in the chat. 16 pips here, chat. Woo. Close 4 here, man. Holy gold. What do you want to do, gold? Man, what do you want to do, man? W's, W's. Congratulations, everyone. 2 trades in a row. W's in the chat. You guys like that? So you got 16, 16, 16. Yeah, I'm I don't know. I half raise there. So re-break, previous candle low. S onion play, sell gold, London. 1 p.m. 6, 19, 20, 25. All right, chat. Empanada is waving. Let's go. Empanada is waving. Wow, too many winners today. Wow. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. Yeah, take me. Boom, still melting here, chat. Cool, cool. Still melting. Wow, W, bro. W, man. Congratulations, bro. W, W. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Congrats, everybody. Boom. Holy gold, man. Holy, it's dropping. Pretty cool. Still melting, yeah. So yeah, probably gonna call it the stream now. Thank you guys for tuning in to my live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. If you guys gonna trade tonight, don't trade tonight because we have bank holiday on the US. So yeah, touch the grass, man. Touch the grass. If you are winning today, man, probably call it a day. I'm gonna call it a day now. Call it day and come back tomorrow. Got the 2 dubs today. So yeah. Chat, thank you so much, chat. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, man. Peace, peace, peace. I'm out here, chat. Peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.